am Divya from class 9.
I am Pravasti from class 9.
Welcome to the world of wind turbine.
Wind turbine is a machine which converts the wind energy into the electrical energy. It is a clean and renewable process source of energy, and wind turbine is one of the fastest growing source of energy to develop the country.
The working principle of this wind turbine is the wind blows and the blades move. This blade has a shaft which is connected to the generator. This generator produces electricity. In short, we can say that the wind blows, the blades rotate, the generator produces electricity.
So the main parts of the wind turbine. The first part of the wind turbine is the blade which captures the wind energy, and the rotor which contains the blades and it spins. And inside the tower there is an axle present which consists of a gearbox and a generator. A generator will produce the electricity, and the tower which keeps the turbine high above from the ground.
There are two types of wind turbine: horizontal axis wind turbine and vertical axis wind turbine. The horizontal axis wind turbine is the most common type, and the blades move like a fan moves. It is mostly used in huge factories, huge urban areas. And the vertical axis wind turbine is the blades move in the vertical form, and they move in any wind direction. It is less efficient but is used in small areas.
The advantages of the wind turbine are that it has no pollution, and it is less cost to operate and reduces the electricity shortages.
The disadvantages of this wind turbine are that it is very costly to install this wind turbine, and it can produce noise pollution, and it may affect the wildlife and the birds. It was first used to generate electricity by James Bliss in 1887 in Scotland to produce electricity in his holiday home.
The wind turbine installed in India at the first time in the place of Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Krishika.
Myself Divya.
We are from Camritz Global School studying in 6th class. Today we are going to say about food webs.
A grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by rat, rat is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by eagle. Next my friend Pishka will continue.
So by this we are getting that how each living thing get its food in a particular environment. For example, produces plants. Plants are eaten by primary consumers are eaten by secondary consumers are eaten by tertiary consumers. By this we are getting that all animals are depend on plants for food either directly or indirectly. I think Divya, now you are getting any doubt?
In food web, one organism is missing means what you will?
If in food chain, if one animal is missing means what will happen, I want to say. If in this example rat is missing, in this example the snake is missing, the rats will increase and it will disturb to plants. If these plants are disturbed, it will affect to goats. If these goats are affected, all food chain will be disturbed. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Banu.
My name is Jatin.
We are studying in 6th class.
I am going to say about sources of water. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Water is found in puddles, rivers, lakes, and oceans. It is also present under the ground and in glaciers in the form of ice. It is also present in the air in the form of water vapor. Some examples are groundwater, rivers, seas, rainwater, ocean, hand pump. Next, my friend Banu will continue.
Water is essential for a life. Without food, we can live for several days, but without water, life cannot stand for least days. In humans and animals have large amount of water. Several life processes in humans and animals such as digestion and absorption of nutrients or getting rid of body waste presence of water. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Rita of grade 4. I am Vishnu of grade 4. Today we are going to explain about soil. How is soil formed? Long ago there was no soil on the earth. There were only big rocks. Big rocks were broken by the continuous action of sun, wind and water. The process by which the rocks are broken into smaller particles is called weathering. It takes hundreds of years to make a just smaller layer of soil. Now I am going to explain about soil profile. The soil profile shows the different layers of soil. The topmost layer of soil is called topsoil. It contains sand, clay, humus, water and air. It gives nutrients to plants. Roots of most plants grow in the topsoil. The middle layer of soil is called subsoil. It is not rich in humus, but it contains a lot of water. So the roots of plants sometimes reach this part in search of water. The bottom layer of soil is called parent rock. It contains small pieces of rocks. Below the parent rock layer is the bedrock. It is made up of large rocks. The bedrock lies very deep inside the earth. Now we are going to tell the importance of the soil. Life on the earth will not be possible without soil. Soil gives water and nutrients to plants. Many small animals like ants, worms and rabbits live in soil. Soil stores rainwater and helps plants to grow. So it is important to look after our soil. We should not pollute it with garbage and harmful substances. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I am Anita of grade 4. Today I like to explain Mars Orbiter Mission Mark. India sent its first spacecraft, the Mars Orbiter Mission Mangalyaan, to Mars on 5th November 2013. It reached the Mars on 24th September 2014. India is the first nation in the world to successfully send its spacecraft to Mars on its first attempt. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Teja. Myself Krishna. My name is Satvik. We are from grade 5. Today we are here to explain about phases of the moon. The moon is the Earth's closest neighbor and it is a natural satellite. A satellite is an object that moves around a large object such as a planet. The moon is about 1/4 the size of the Earth. The moon is about 4.5 billion years old. How does the moon shine? The moon does not have any light of its own. It only reflects the sunlight. For some surface. Therefore, moonlight is nothing but its reflects the sunlight. Phases of the moon. The moon revolves around the earth. It takes about the same. It takes 27.3 days to complete one revolution around the earth. The moon rotates on its axis like a slowly spinning top. It also takes about the same time to complete one rotation. 27.3 days. That is why the same half of the moon faces the earth. As the moon revolves around the earth, one of the moon recovers sunlight while the other half remains dark because of the differentiation of speed is rotation and the revolution. Most of the time we can see a part bright side of the moon. Because of the moon appears to change the shape. The different shape as seen from the earth is called the phases of the moon. The sunlight enters the earth and the moon is bigger than the half moon is called the full moon.
మా పిల్లలు ఇద్దరు 9th and 8th క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నారు. చాలా మంచి స్కూల్ మ్యామ్ ఇది మటుకు. సైన్స్ వేర్ అంతా చూసాము, చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు పిల్లలు. అందులో వాటర్ ప్లాంట్ కోసం బాగా చెప్పారు మ్యామ్. ప్లాంట్స్ వాటర్ లోనే ఎలా చేయాలి, సాయిల్ లేకుండా ఎలా పెంచాలని చెప్పారు. ప్యూరిఫైర్ వాటర్ కోసం చెప్పారు. డయాలసిస్ కోసం ఒకటి విన్నాను మ్యామ్. చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు పిల్లలందరూ. ఎక్సలెంట్ మ్యామ్.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Ayush from 6th class. Today I am going to explain about root system and shoot system. Root system, a part of a plant that grow above the ground. It's called root system. The function of root systems are photosynthesis, transporting of food and water, and reproduction and storage. The root system, a part of a plant that grow below the ground. It's called root system. The function of root system are encourage absorbing of water and minerals, transporting of food and water, and reproduction. Thank you.